Hey everybody, welcome to Rosin Evolution. Today we are talking with Jay from Aether Green. Welcome, Jay.
Thank you very much.
This is a product that's been needed in this industry for a while, so I scooped one up, did an unboxing, and I was like, wow. And every hash maker that's come over that's seen this set's like, I need 5 of those. I reached out to you guys and made a little bit of a custom 8-bag set from Rosin Evolution gear to fit
they look
into
fantastic.
this system.
You haven't used these yet? Masonic here. Rosin Evolution teamed up with Aether Green on these wash bag spacer collection bag set. Makes it easier to collect your hash. Dope ass hash makers will come through and they'll be like, what's this? And I'll be like, yeah, what's this? What's this? They're like, yeah, man, this shit's dope. I'll be like, it is, huh? They're baller, G. Nah, so you do it like this. Aether Green, you know, that's what we're rocking. Rosin Evolution, Aether Green, tap in.
First, let's take a look at these crappy washing machines that we've got. The shitty blue washer, you can see it's got all those microplastics leaking right into whatever hash you're making. It's not very easy to empty this thing out either. It seems like it spills. It's pretty cheap. Let's get rid of this thing. Let's get into like a real washing machine now.
Yeah, we're really excited to introduce this. This is our first line of products at Aether Green. We're a small, veteran-owned company. You know, I think it's kind of obvious how much cannabis is helping veterans, and we're really happy to provide a product that's food grade, that's safe, that we have some control over to make our medicine.
That's pretty amazing. So this is the main component right here. They've got a light right in there, a little window for you to see in the paddle, along with the controllers on this side. And I feel like you can almost put that on any kind of vessel that you want.
You can absolutely.
That was my first thought on it. I'm like, man, that can fit on anything.
Yep.
I feel like this is extremely innovative. Point that into the camera so we can see the inside. So you said that was a 7-gallon?
It's an 8-gallon.
8-gallon.
It's all stainless steel. It's polished. You have very, very little area for debris to collect. It's extremely easy to clean compared to the blue washer. I mean, you can literally just go over and dump it out if you want. A quick rinse and this thing is really, really clean.
Awesome.
And then it just has a quick connect for the power in the back. When you power it on, it always comes back to this start screen. You have your ability to adjust your volume, the brightness of the LCD display, and then there's a start and a settings button. As we come into settings, you're able to adjust the run time, the spin speed, and then we have a spin style. So you're also able to control the direction that it goes and how long it goes in that direction.
That's amazing. To be able to fine tune the way that you're mixing, that's huge. That's something that I haven't seen before in a smaller wash.
It gives you a lot of control. The way that this is insulated and the fact that the motor is above the lid, unlike the blue washers and so many other ones where they generate heat from below, this does not change temperature. So you now have the ability to go very, very gently for much longer, or you can go agitate with a lot of force for a shorter amount of time. And that flexibility, it's going to allow that hash maker to really dial it in for his material. It just gives you a lot more flexibility. And this operates as a dial and a button, right? Push it in to make your selection, rotate the dial.
The first time I used it, it was really intuitive. I felt like I barely tapped on any of the buttons. I barely did any of the stuff, and I was able to pick it up pretty quick. Very easy to use.
Yeah.
So that's the slowest speed you got right there.
This is the most gentle, so it's going just one rotation stopping, one rotation stopping.
Let's see the vortex. All right, there we go. That looks great. And you can adjust how long it spins in each direction on the faster setting.
And then anytime you need to stop it, you just hit the button and it pauses it. It also, everything's quick disconnect. So you can, if you need to kill power, if you need to add the power back on, it's that fast. And it always comes right back to where you were.
Amazing. Really innovative. I like the neoprene material you guys used. This stuff looks really good. And right here, this is a 7-gallon bucket, you said?
It is. We have an 80 PSI diaphragm pump on the back of the vessel. It has an on-off switch. It also comes with a foot switch as well, so you can operate it with your foot while you're washing. There's an on-off switch right here. Fill it up with ice and RO water, and this can be your rinse station, right? So you have another bucket for trash. You rinse, you know, this. do your collection.
And I really like the little added features that you guys did, like the little green liner on the bottom, helping from slipping, the neoprene sleeve on the outside, even as far as this little clip here to hold the wand. I feel like every little detail has been thought through, and
We put a lot of work into just making it simple, user-friendly.
The next thing I wanted to talk about is the stacked plastic
We call them a spacer set.
spacer set.
It looks like a 5-gallon pump. We actually make these ourselves. If you look at the angle of them, they actually are cone shaped and they sit inside of each other.
This was custom built just for this application. That's pretty amazing to have so much attention to detail.
It fits on any 5-gallon bucket, 7-gallon bucket, 10-gallon bucket, you know, at the same size. It makes your workflow a lot easier too. You can handle everything with one hand, you know, for your collection as well.
Yeah, let's talk about
collecting
collection. I
here.
think before you start collecting, I saw this innovative cone-shaped tool you guys had.
So this is just a collection cup. It's a large food grade cup with a curved top on it. And what it does is after you've drained and you're ready to collect your resin, it makes it super, super easy to just take one hand, throw it on here, scoop it off, put it on your tray and keep moving. Also, you're able to take the bag and flip it upside down. So if you have a high pressure sprayer, you don't have to worry about it. So you can put it upside down, spray it out, turn it over, and you're ready to roll again.
I'm really excited to give this whole set a real test. I feel like this is such an amazing tool for the larger processors who are looking to test, you know?
Absolutely.
A lot of the times people do the jar test and they'll mix it up, but that doesn't give you a real accurate view on actually how much the whole batch can do. Every hash maker that's come over that's seen this set's like, I need 5 of those. Overall, this thing is well built, well designed, and I'm looking forward to using it. Thanks for showing us all this amazing equipment. Where can we find it?
You can find all of this at aethergreen.com. AETHER green.com.
Aethergreen.com, rosinevolution.com for your parchment paper, rosin bags, wash bags, and accessories. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop it in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Rosin Evolution